Hi everyone. In this question here we are asked to identify the domain and range of this function. And it is a function because there's no values here. There's no x-coordinate here along this graph that's producing two y-coordinates. Okay, and I have to write this domain and range in set notation and interval notation. So let's start with set notation. Let's talk about our domain. Okay, that's going to be the set of x values. Now take a look here. Okay, as I go along this way right here, the graph actually starts, well, not exactly at -2 here, because it's not including -2. That's what that open circle means, but right up to it. And then I assume that this continues on forever. It includes this infinite number of points. So it's going to be all values greater than or equal to -2. Okay, well, there's set notation. Now, in interval notation, I'm going to use soft bracket, okay, on the -2 because I'm not including it. That's what that means, comma, and this is going to go forever out to infinity. Now, my range is going to be the set of y-coordinates. Now, look along the line here, same thing. If I slide down, or actually I should probably slide up this thing. I should be consistent with how I did the domain here. As I slide up, notice that the graph goes down forever. So even if I start at -infinity, I'm going to find this graph all the way up, and then it stops, okay, at 4. So all of my y-coordinates are going to have values less than or equal to 4. And then to write that in interval notation, it's going to go from -infinity up to, oh, I'm so sorry. I completely did that wrong here. I said it right. But then I wrote it wrong. This should be just greater than -2. Sorry, that's what that soft bracket's all about. And this is going to be just less than 4, not or equal to, which is why I'm going to put the soft bracket around that. Okay, we would not be including that endpoint right there because it's in an open circle.